Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author of many books on how to draw cartoons, and here's my new book, Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles. Super cute. I'm going to show you how to draw a page from this today. Here's the back cover, which also has, as you can see, squiggles, which turn into wiggles, and a dinosaur. So we're going to do a dog today, which is, I think, a lot of fun, and I'll show you the page that one is on. It is page 73. We start with a kind of loopy shape, kind of crazy little shape, and we come out with a fun and kind of miniature dog. So let's start on that, and I will get this pencil ready. All right, we'll start here. Big wide top and kind of smallish bottom here. Just nice and easy. It doesn't have to be perfectly symmetrical. As a matter of fact, sometimes symmetry is boring. I like to have things a little bit off asymmetrical. Put a little bit of a guideline here for the face and for the bridge of the nose, like that. Put a little bit of a cute little button here for a nose. Something too big is going to make it goofy rather than cute. Goofy's fine, but this character is not goofy. He's a cute little guy. So we'll darken this right here. And since we have him as a pup, we're going to give him really big eyes on both sides of the head. So I'm going to go a little slowly here to make sure I make it round. Get that looking right. Okay, that's one side. And same thing on the other side, same top right here, same level. And nice round circle, rather than say an oval, which is a goofier look. Again, really round and simple. Simple for cute characters. That's a good thing to remember. All right, now I have them looking straight ahead. A little up, but straight ahead. Big pupil. Also a circle, big pupil like this, all based on this kind of crazy, goofy shape here. I'm going to bring this in a little more, so the neck is a little thinner. The neck is too thick. He looks like he's a little athletic, and we don't want him to be that. We want him to be just kind of cute. Yeah, it's a little better. Now I'm going to fill that in, nice and dark, so it stands out. A couple of little small eyebrows so that they don't compete with the eyes. This is a big shape, and this is a big shape. You don't know where to look. Now let's give him a cute little smile. It dips like this into a mouth crease here. I already think it's funny. All right, now we're going to take this and bring a horizontal line here and make a thick horizontal line. Make it look thick what the object is here. And then we'll bring this out into a bone. See, that's so he's overlapping with that. And we will go like that and darken it in now. And erase this part. All right, we don't need that now. And now we'll bring in some ears. We'll overlap the head here, and we'll overlap the head here, but it's going to fall behind the bone. That'll be in front. And because of that, we'll erase this too. See how that's coming forward? Always think in terms of layers when you have more than one thing going on. And so we'll bring this here, like so. And the same thing here, like so. I give him a little collar, a little indication. It doesn't have to be all detailed out. And license to bark. A couple little tiny arms and paws. The paws are really just indicated by this kind of markings for the fingers, just like that. Something really simple. Cartoons are really simple things. A little bit of a chest area. Oh, he is so happy. He's got his favorite bone. And we'll give him a little bit of a squiggle on top. Now let's add some shading right here so it really makes that bone pop out, and we get to see that as the centerpiece of this silly little guy. A little bit of a tail here, right, like that, and some grass. He's in the backyard saying, "Mom, look what I found." Does your dog do that too? My dog really does that. You can put a couple of little floating eyelashes here. They can look extra cute, almost unbearably cute. Okay, now take a look. How did we do? There's that, and then there's that, right? See that? Not bad, huh? Not bad. Here's the book, Drawing with Squiggles and Wiggles. I hope you get it. I think you'll have fun with it. Thank you for visiting today. Please subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.